Family class sponsorship requirements. You can sponsor certain family members if you are a Canadian citizen, an Indian, under the Canadian Indian Act, or a permanent resident of Canada. The following requirements are for the sponsors of each of the upcoming categories. Current residents. If you are a Canadian citizen, you can sponsor even if you are outside of Canada, but you have to prove that you are planning to live in Canada when your application is accepted and the sponsored persons arrive in Canada. If you are a permanent resident, you must be in Canada to sponsor. You cannot apply if you are outside of Canada. Age. You must be at least 18 years old. Settlement fund. You should not be on any kind of social assistance other than disability assistance. Financial responsibility. You must promise that you are financially able to take care of the sponsored persons for a certain period of time, which are spouse/partner, 3 years, dependent child, 10 years or until age 25, whichever comes first. Dependent child over 22 years, type C dependent, 3 years. Parents and grandparents, 20 years. Other relatives, 10 years. If you live in Quebec, please refer to the family class under Quebec immigration. Refugees and protected persons do not need to meet financial sponsorship eligibility for sponsoring spouses/dependents. And finally, of course, you the sponsor and the applicants should not be inadmissible to Canada.